Inside Elevation Interiors Private Limited. One-stop solution for interior and end-to-end execution services.
Hello all, greetings from Inside Elevation. Today we are here on one of our ongoing projects to show you and take you through the tour of this beautiful house that we are designing and executing. Today we will take you through the overall design of this house, try to explain you the design, try to explain you the materials that we are trying to use over here for the kind of finishes that we get, for the looks that we achieve and for the themes that we are creating to hand you over these beautiful houses. Right now, as we are coming inside the house, we are in the entrance foyer of this house. Here we have this beautiful, magnificent wall that we see here, the first thing that you actually see once you enter inside the house. Here we are planning to put in a beautiful mirror because the mirror gives you a complete sense of, grandness, luxury and overall just beauty. Aesthetically, mirrors are extremely pleasing and we are trying to use the mirror for the same reason. To enhance the beauty in the mirror, we are also going to make sure that it's going to be backlit. There's this beautiful, otherwise going on a wall panel that are with wall rafters. Here also to enhance it more, we have placed a display unit that goes from floor to ceiling to make sure that we are also, along with the width and the beauty of the wall, we also enhance the height of the house that we have got in here. Along with this wall, on the opposite side, then we have our console unit. Over here, the console unit we have planned in such a way that we have no sharp edges. Reason being because curves gives you a different aesthetic altogether. You can see the basic structure work we've made in plywood, although we are going to finish it with Duco paint to achieve that overall look and finish in Duco paint, to get the smoothness that we can achieve with Duco. We have used these different kinds of MDF sheets over here. Along with that, then there is going to be a separate wall panel over here with a wallpaper, and also again these two panels that are going to be backlit. Next, I would like to take you through their parents' room. This is the parents' room that we have now. If you can see, our workers are still here, we are still working through it. So now, as we are going through this room, the overall colors and themes that we would want to go through were not supposed to be very dull, like only just whites and grays, but we wanted to actually come up with a highlight color, a pop-up color, which is not very loud, but at the same time is extremely pleasing and soothing to the eye. That is why we have decided to go ahead with a color called mint. Mint is one of our most highlighting color over here. As you can see that we have an end-to-end, wall-to-wall running headboard. The same color we have utilized for here as an overhead unit for our study table. The base unit in the study table is also made in the similar way. The overall structure of the bed, if you can see, Devraj ji isko open karenge please. If you can see, the bed is made in such a way that rather than just going for hydraulic storages, we have made a combination of hydraulic storages, along with that some pull-out drawers. You can see the drawers are also made over here accordingly. This is the particular requirement that they had, that whenever, since the parents are going to be staying here, they don't necessarily have to always open the bed by themselves, but they can just pull out the trolley and whatever is the handy material or any storage that they want to keep in the bed can be accessed by them very easily. Next is the wardrobe over here. Wardrobe over here has been designed in a completely different way. This time we are not going for the typical conventional wardrobes, but what we have done this time is, instead of having separate handles or anything, the door is going to be flushed in one level and there are, you can see, concealed lights that go through it. So rather than just looking like a plain wardrobe, here the wardrobe itself acts like a complete design element for us. You can see that there are grooves over here so that you can open the door. So the unit is completely going to be handleless. The similar concept run through the lofts as well. So it gives you a complete look from floor to ceiling and without any cuts in the design itself. So as you can see, continuity is one of the major points that we would like to highlight over here, since continuity is going to give us the ultimate look of luxury that we are looking for. Coming outside from the parents' room, now we are into our main room, our luxurious living room. Before we move on to the living room, I would first like to also take you to this one very special unit. This is going to be the mandir unit in this house. For that, we have planned a base unit on which the mandir is going to be placed, with a backlit unit or backlit panel behind it to highlight the overall unit. Next, we come into the living room. As you can see, the living room is still in process. We are working over here with the living room as well as the dining space that is provided over here. When we are talking about the living room, the most important and the crucial thing and the most designer element that we can see in the living room is our TV unit. In this TV unit, we have worked with different materials to enhance the overall appearance of this TV unit. Here we have a base unit, again with the similar concepts of not going for any straight lines but with the curved edges to the TV unit also. The panel over here is done with a combination of materials where we will be using a black colored sheet in acrylic. Then we are continuing ahead. The same thing you can see from the ceiling, we will be continuing on the opposite side of the TV unit, that is going to be our dining wall. On the dining wall itself, we are going to be continuing some of the elements that we have seen in the living room on the opposite side to create a complete symmetrical design, but making sure at the same time that both the designs are completely different. Here we are going to have an L-shaped sitting arrangement and our beautiful dining table over here. Let's come to the kitchen area now. Before we enter into the kitchen area, we are greeted by this beautiful breakfast bar unit. Now this breakfast bar unit has a very particular thing that it has no supports at the base and has started from the wall over there. There's going to be a tall unit which will be used as a crockery or a display unit, which will be in continuation to our breakfast counter. Now this breakfast counter is also creating like a partial partition between our living dining spaces as well as the kitchen. Kitchen over here, as you can see, is still in process. We have used material called as quartz on the counter as well as for the dado behind it. There are going to be base units that will be made in tandems. Then there are overhead units that you see at your eye level, and then there is a loft unit for your additional storage in the house. On this side, you will be seeing some more pantry units and additional storages that they require over here and are made as per their requirements. Next, let's move on to the kids' room now. Kids' room are always going to be very touchy and an emotional thing that a client goes through. They're extremely excited and they want to know what we are going to be designing for their kids. As you can see, this room is again not at all conventional, a complete new design to make sure that the designs, the aesthetics of the designs as well as the comfort of their kids is met over here. So you can see, rather than going for a bed, what we have done is we've gone for a platform bed. In this platform bed, there are again storages underneath and then there is going to be a bed placed over here. As you can see, these are the cutouts that are made. This is going to be for the headboard because the headboard is not a typical rectangular one, but we will be going for the semicircular top ones. On this side, you can see the round edges and the round tops for the headboards are also being continued in our study table. The study table over here has a different look altogether where we didn't want to give any sort of sharp edges or sharp looks to this overall room. There is this study table. Along with that, there is an overhead unit and some additional storage for the kids' room that is required. On this side, you can see there is a wardrobe, so that we are also looking at a space-saving option where we had a limitation of the space over here since the room is not that big, and we also had to make sure that we get ample storage. There is ample circulation space, there is study area, there is wardrobe, there is bed, and also some space that where we can display their collectibles or their toys or their artifacts, anything that can be displayed. So this is that display area. Now next is that we will move on to the master bedroom. Before entering into the master bedroom, we again have one more lobby over here. This lobby here we are keeping as one console unit again with some base storages and an overhead storage, which is just going to be for the aesthetic purposes. Now before moving into the final room and the most amazing room of the house, I would like to introduce you to Mr. Rameshwar, who is the designer over here with whom I am working with to complete this work.
Yes. ये मास्टर बेडरूम है. यहाँ पे एक्चुअली एंटर करने के बाद आपको पूरा पीछे पैनलिंग मिलेगा. एक्चुअली यहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन टाइम पे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स है जो कि साइड के कंडीशंस है. यहाँ पे बीम है, लाइक यहाँ पे एसी का पेलमेट है, तो उसी को कवर करने के लिए या फिर पूरा एंटायर एरिया सिमिलर दिखाने के लिए हमने यहाँ पे एंड टू एंड पैनलिंग किया हुआ है. अब यहाँ पे पूरा ये जो बेड दिया है, किंग साइज हमने बेड दिया है. इवन इसके पीछे जो हेड बोर्ड है वो भी किंग साइज हेड बोर्ड है पूरा. एंड इसके पीछे जो राफ्टर पैनलिंग प्लस एक्रेलिक सीट के साथ पूरा पैनलिंग है। लाइक ये पूरा पोर्शन जो आपको दिख रहा है वो सब कुछ वीनियर में है, लाइक डिज़ाइनर वीनियर 45 एंगल में क्रिएट किया हुआ वीनियर का पैटर्न है वो, जो कि हमने साइड पे बनाया है। देन यहाँ पे 2 साइड टेबल्स है जो राउंड शेप में, जो कि कॉर्नर्स उसके लगने नहीं चाहिए, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हमने डिज़ाइन किया हुआ है। एंड यहाँ पे पूरा बेड को कुशनिंग हो रहा है, जो मेरा कलर कॉम्बिनेशन लाइक कर्टन का एंड हेडबोर्ड प्लस बेड का कुशनिंग, ये दोनों मैच होता है एज अ थीम पूरा। एंड यहाँ पे जो यूज़ होता है मटेरियल का ये है कि एक्रेलिक सीट है, पीयू लैमिनेट्स है, वीनियर्स है, राफ्टर्स है, एंड यहाँ पे पीयू डिको है ब्लैक कलर का। तो यहाँ पे ये सीटिंग है पूरा, यहाँ पे उनका पूरा विंडो है, लाइक बिग विंडो है पूरा रोमन कर्टन के साथ। एंड यहाँ पे उनका सीट आउट है पूरा, जो कि यहाँ पे बैठ सकते हैं। ये जो सीट आउट का डिज़ाइन आप देख रहे हो, नॉर्मली डिज़ाइंस नहीं किया हुआ है, उसको जो कंटिन्यूटी है वो हमने रन किया हुआ है। लाइक ये पूरा डमी ड्रॉर्स दिखा है ताकि इसके अंदर मेरा गोल्डन एलिमेंट है वो हाईलाइट हो जाए। एंड जो मेरा साइड टेबल है, इवन टिवेनी डिज़ाइन है, वो डिज़ाइन इसके अंदर कंटिन्यू होना चाहिए, इसकी वजह से ये ऐसे डिज़ाइन हुआ है। ये हमारा टीवी यूनिट है। टीवी यूनिट लाइक बेड के सामने हमें टीवी यूनिट रखा है विथ सिमिलर एलिमेंट्स जो हमने पीछे यूज़ किया है बेड बैक के पीछे। लाइक सामने हमने पूरा पैनलिंग है इसका वीनियर प्लस एक्रेलिक सीट प्लस राफ्टर का। एंड ये उनका ड्रेसिंग एरिया है, ड्रेसिंग एंड वार्डरोब्स पूरा। तो यहाँ पे एरिया एक्चुअली मैंने जब प्लान किया है पूरा कि वार्डरोब्स प्लस ड्रेसिंग एरिया, तो ये काफ़ी कॉम्पैक्ट हो रहा था। ये कॉम्पैक्ट ना लगे इसके लिए मैंने यहाँ पे मिरर का ज़्यादा यूज़ किया हुआ है। लाइक ये स्टोरेज है जो इसके पीछे वो खोलने के बाद पूरा इनका ड्रेसिंग का पूरा स्टोरेज बैठ सकता है। यहाँ पे अंदर लाइट्स है पूरा। एंड ये पूरा टॉप टू बॉटम तक ये पूरा शटर्स के ऊपर मिरर दिया हुआ है ताकि एरिया एनहांस हो, एरिया बड़ा लगे। इवन ये जो बैक लीट है जहाँ पे लाइक ये स्टोरेज है, आर्टिफैक्ट्स प्लस ड्रेसिंग का कुछ स्टोरेज इसके अंदर बैठ जाए। तो ये बैक भी पूरा ग्लास फिनिश है पूरा। एंड देन यहाँ पे जो ये एक वार्डरोब्स आप देख रहे हो, इसके अंदर हमने प्रोफाइल लाइट का यूज़ किया हुआ है। एंड ये बैक पेंटेड ग्लास के साथ प्रोफाइल शटर्स आने वाले हैं। तो ये इट विल लुक वेरी गुड आफ्टर फिनिशिंग।
Inside Elevation Interiors Private Limited. One-stop solution for interior and end-to-end execution services.